So now I'll tell you, if you look at the minority judgment, they said that the right to have a civil union does exist for same-sex couples as well. However, the majority rejected that view as well. They not only said that the right to marry is not a constitutional right, but they said even a civil union has to be recognized in statute, which means by parliament, the government. Right? So today, that's the consequence of the courts were very sympathetic, even the majority judgment, right? They went on a strict construction. They realized that they had problems. And since they took the view they did, both as regards marriage and civil unions, right? They then said that we're appointing a committee, a high-level committee to be headed by a cabinet secretary, right? To expeditiously go into this matter, to examine all issues pertaining to same sex and to see whether benefits which accrue to married couples can also, to married heterosexual couples, can also be given simultaneously, right, to same-sex couples.
So you're a member of parliament. Let me ask you honestly, is it anyone's priority right now to even bring in such a legislation? Is there even some talk among our parliamentarians that this is a need? The court has spoken about it. Everyone's saying, oh, let's have a larger debate and all. Is there going to be any movement at all? Is anyone talking about it?
Look, we are, for one thing, let's look at the circumstances. We are on the verge of a fresh election. You're not going to see it in the 17th Lok Sabha, for sure. Not in this tenure. I think you definitely have to wait till the post-2024 and then see the atmosphere. And it's up to the same-sex couples to now come and put some pressure, right? They got to band together. They got to become a powerful electoral, component. Make sure that they have their voice heard during elections. That's how democracies work. It's But if you're thinking that if it comes to Parliament, if this committee does something by which it comes to Parliament, I'm sure Parliament will expeditiously and fairly look at it. But there's the other side. When you enact legislation, you have to take in all stakeholders. And you'll have to hear the stakeholders in the interest of natural justice who are opposed to same-sex marriage.